We are the biggest pub Mart in Bangkok. Hello, this is Sami Gauri. I'm heading to the biggest pub Mart store in Thailand. The store was first opened last October and can be easily accessed by BTS, right at the center of Siam Square. People say that you can find lots of stock at the store, so let's go and have a look. Warm welcome by Labubu. Big into energy, the 1000% monster One Piece, a big section for baby Molly. Wow, lots of collection that I've never seen in Australia pub Mart store. Got to the second floor, Demon World. The plushie pendant that I'm looking for. Oh my gosh, it's very cute. Me and Mr. Hirono. So cool. Time to pay. And here's my little achievement for today. We then head to the other pub Mart store at the Siam Center just to see if there are any different stock available. So if you happen to be in Bangkok, don't forget to travel around and check several stores across the country. Today we're gonna open the new pub Mart. I was looking for this from Australia and Singapore and Thailand, but it was all sold out, so can't see any product, only for the sample. But we managed to order this from Top Mart Thailand. Wow, sweet. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Demon World Disney edition. Watch. Oh my god. What's gonna be inside? Are you ready? 1, 2. Oh. 2, 3. Ta-da! Oh my god! It's Chip and Dale. Oh. Yes. This is Chip and Dale. Chip and Dale. Da-da-da! So hopefully this is not a view. This is mini! Ta-da! 안녕하세요. Hello, Sami Gauri. We are back with lots of pub Mart today. But this is a Hachipupu Snuggle series. Da-da-da! And this Demon World Disney collaboration series. This is the figure, but I have my pendant anyway, so we're gonna open this one later. And this one we found from the Thailand. Little pouch, so you can use it as a bag. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trees. So we're gonna open this later. This one is Molly, the mug. We haven't seen this one before, but we thought this is good for our friend because her birthday is coming, so we just bought it from Thailand as well. The Peanut 75th years anniversary series. We're not gonna open it because it's for present. We're gonna open it from Pajama Party. There's so many different like Crybaby, Dimu, Molly, Jinga, Jellybean, School Panda, and Molly. We never had the Jinga or Jellybean. Actually, we have one Jellybean pin from Gongcha, but that's it. When you're shaking it, I can hear some metallic sound from here. So I think it's from the chime from the secret. Da da da! 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's molly. Wow, the color is really nice. So you can put something inside the AirPod case. I should buy one more because my wife already took it. She said she wanna have it. Poppin Pajama Party. This is a molly. Cute puppy. That's the name of the series. Ta-da-da! This is Dimu and Disney. Dimu World. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And the secret. 둘, 셋. 둘, 셋. Wow.
Oh, Donald Duck.
I think it's singing, so stand with a microphone. Ta-da-da! This is Dimu. Donald Duck singing. Ta-da-da! Dun dun dun. It's heavier. Oh, I want to have a daisy. 1, 2, 3. Wow!
Mickey?
I think it's a Minnie with the balloon. So cute.
Oh, very cute.
It's from the box. Is it? No, it's a Mickey. But the first one from the box. We have 2 Minnie and 1 Chip and Dale. So this one is Hachipupu. Actually, I really want to have a crocodile or the fox. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Hachipupu. Oh my god!
Is it fox?
Yeah!
Oh, very cute.
So cute! Oh my god! Oh, but this is not the key ring. This is the figure. Snuggle with you! Hachipupu Charming Fox, that's the name. So I'm super happy with this, so adorable. Oh my god, they have the real tail as well at the back. Safely arrived from the Singapore, this 3 collection. So this 3 from the Singapore and this Molly from the Thailand this time.
We travel. It's like we travel around the world, yeah? Just to get pop art.
So some are available in certain country, but some are not available in some country. Share your collection on your comment. Set alarm and subscribe. See you. Bye bye.